Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use voice access in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you want to use voice access, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your settings. From settings, just scroll down and look for accessibility. Just tap on it. And here, just tap on interaction and dexterity. Just tap on voice access here. And here you must have to enable that. Then tap on allow. And here you just have to make a simple setup. Just tap on agree from here, then agree again, then tap on allow to send notifications. And here if you want to add a listening button or shortcut just like that, you can easily add that, but I'm going to disable this and then tap on done. Here you just have to set listen for commands whenever my screen is on, then tap on continue, then allow voice access and now using the app. And here just tap on continue, then select allow to make and manage phone calls. And here just select continue, then select finish. Now you have setup. Now whenever you want to use voice access, just scroll down in control center and you will get the voice access notification here. Just tap on it to start. Now it is being listening. Now you just have to say what you want to do. So that's how you can easily use or set up voice access in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.